For most of us, turning 18 is a much anticipated milestone. But for those leaving care like Rhian from Carmarthenshire, it can be a daunting experience.
I was really nervous because obviously growing up in care, and as soon as you sort of come up to 18, you're in control of your life. What am I going to do?
Unable to work due to the trauma of being abused as a child, Rhian became homeless. Now 22, she thinks a basic income would be hugely beneficial.
They'll be able to have that little bit of money to be able to start off in life and to be able to learn how to pay their bills properly.
Tomorrow, the Welsh Government is launching a basic income pilot for 18-year-olds leaving care. A lump sum from the state every month with no strings attached, rich or poor, working or unemployed. In theory, a universal scheme reduces the financial burden on taxpayers and simplifies the benefit system. But that depends on it being truly universal, something this scheme isn't.
The Welsh Government simply wouldn't have the resources to mount a universal, citizen-wide scheme of this sort, and in any case I think there is lots to learn from doing it on an experimental basis.
Around 500 care leavers will be given £1,600 a month for 2 years once they turn 18. After tax, that works out at just under £1,300. That means that in total they'll be given nearly £31,000 over the 2 years. Critics don't oppose supporting care leavers, but say £20 million could be better spent.
It's been tried in other parts of the world, Finland for example, and after a short period of time they brought it to an end because it wasn't achieving the results. Welsh Government have a very full in-tray that they should be prioritising, and universal basic income scheme is not one of the things at the top of their list.
That pilot in Finland was with jobless people, and it found that a basic income did not lead them to find work, although they did feel happier. Other experiments with the concept include a small town in Canada, which saw significant health benefits, but also a reduction in hours worked. For those a part of this pilot, they see the basic income as a way to move on with their lives.
I'd like to go to uni. I want to do youth work, and it'll just help out so much.
I've gone through stuff where other people haven't, so it's a big opportunity.
The benefits to these young people are clear and the ambition is laudable. What's not so clear is what this will tell us about the viability of a truly universal income. Rhys Williams, News at 10, Cardiff.